In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add slow motion on your videos in Filmora. By adding slow motion to part or the whole video, it will make your video much slower to highlight some parts. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so to add slow motion, go ahead and select the part of the clip that you want to add slow motion and then just click on it. In my case, I want to add slow motion to the whole of this video track. As you can see, currently it is playing at normal speed, but I'd like to go ahead and make it much slower than it is now. To do this, once you have clicked on the clip, go ahead and click on edit here, and then go ahead and choose this option called speed. From here, you'll be able to see speed here, and the current speed is currently set to 1. To add slow motion, maybe you want to make it 2 times slower. Just go ahead and toggle this wheel here backward to the most appropriate speed that you want. So I'll put it at 0.5. That is half of the speed. And here we go. Then click OK. And now look at how long this video track now is. It was around 29 seconds, but now you can see it is much longer now. So if I go ahead and play it, you can see it is much slower than it was before. And you can see here the current speed. It shows you how slow it is. Now, should you want to restore this to the normal speed, you can go ahead back again. And this time around, move this to 1 like that. And okay. And now it is back to normal speed. So that's how you can slow down your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.